Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now if you're new, remember to like, share and subscribe. Now it is being speculated that just as what took place in Maypen with the Ranko gang and the major robbery that took place, some believe law enforcement were involved in the situation that took place in Portmore, where a security guard's life was taken. One was shot and injured, and $10 million in cash was stolen. May I make hear what go on, and they will continue the reason. Look and listen.
William to Ross.
You don't know about this one of the boys. You can't get the woman in hospital now. You can't get the woman in hospital. No!
Hurry up! They need to tie the foot, get the blood to stop. Tie our foot, tie our foot. Tie our foot. Somebody. Tie our foot. Tear a shirt and tie our foot. Oh my God. Tie the lady foot. Them don't know what to do. Them don't know what to do. Hold her properly. Jesus have mercy. Tie the foot. Tie the foot. Hold the foot up.
Now, of course, condolences to the family of the security guard whose life was taken. And that is why I say this was nothing like what took place with Ranko. When the Ranko situation took place, nobody was injured. No lives were taken. None. They made off with an undetermined sum of cash. And it was only months later when members of the Ranko organization were brought into custody, and it was revealed that members of law enforcement were a part of Ranko and that they were the ones who perpetrated the situation in Maypen. Now, this is a popular plaza in Portmore, St. Catherine, and there should be an abundance of CCTV cameras. So the police are supposed to have footage of what took place and can't really see what took place from multiple angles. And hopefully the family of the slain security guard can have some type of justice. No, there was another security guard who was injured but taken to receive medical treatment. And right now the whole of Jamaica, people don't even know her. I hope for a speedy recovery for her. Listen, that's why when law enforcement and people within the security forces, whether security or otherwise, times are serious for everybody. Every citizen will go up on the road. Times are serious for everybody. But remember, people in law enforcement, on a day-to-day basis, there is that chance that they will be met with crime and violence, because their job is to be a deterrent against crime and violence. And a little bit of security guard, or security guards rather, lose their lives just doing them job. There's a saying, wrong place, wrong time. But how you say that when somebody's job if you do what them do, and obviously somebody a target them or a lay weight them or whatever the case may be. And of course when things like this happen, people always say, well, maybe it's an inside job. Well, law enforcement will be looking into that. But if I just the millions them go away with, some would have said that bad and not so bad. Sometimes and maybe in all instances, the cash is insured. But when you take somebody's life, somebody else do them job, them people now out there make trouble with people. Them people make them deliveries. Some people also say, where was law enforcement? This plaza is in, not say close proximity, but on the same road. If I did overseas, would I say probably a couple city blocks. A major police stations are a couple city blocks away from where this take place. And it's a busy plaza. When I say busy plaza, you even have a major call center upon the plaza. You have whole heap of other business places, fast food restaurants upon the plaza. Busy plaza. And it's also a showcase that these criminals not care nothing but innocent lives. These individuals willing to open fire upon a busy plaza for $10 million. I remember money to buy life. Always a sad story. When you hear say in the pursuit of money, people take somebody's life. Knowing say money or something either ensure that you can make it back. Remember, these are people with families. We tell them family, them say them are go working in the morning, them so come. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And another security guard's life was also taken in, I think a Westmoreland. I think a Negril, Westmoreland. Another security guard's life was taken. And see it? And in a state of emergency, and no Zozo will solve these crimes. A good police work, a detectives have to go look into these crimes. No checkpoint, no solve crime. And that is why the people are saying the policies being put in place by the administration are not working. The police and the soldier, them must say the policies being put in place by the administration is not working. They are saying the solutions are there. The solutions are there. But to overlook citizens' rights is not the way to solve crime and violence. Whenever that occurs, is a way to turn law-abiding citizens into criminals, or to treat law-abiding citizens as criminals. And nobody not like that. You ever see a police officer being stopped by police? It's always as if the officer considers it as disrespect. So the officer even not try to stop him, or I try for dealing the way they deal with civilians. Just notice it. Every time officer stop a vehicle and then realize it's the officer, just look on the way that stop is conducted or it play out. And in this day and age, I don't know why, but people are making it seem as if just because a few individuals who are probably involved in criminal activity, that is bringing in large sums of money, and then might be involved in other violent crimes, that the economy and the way it is, and the lack of job opportunities and things of that nature is not what is giving rise to the crime and violence. Which is, yeah, you have a few individuals where I get money out of whatever them I do, but for the large majority of the population, them not see that money there. People like to talk about Mobile, and the whole heap of people in a Mobile who live affluently, who live in big houses and drive luxury vehicles, as if the whole of Mobile drive markets and crown, which is far from the truth. People like to think of it as in a Mobile, on every lane and in every community, there's a high-end vehicle parked at the gate, and you know, the people are just rich. That's another situation for everybody. And crime and violence still go hand in hand with lack of jobs, pay that people must need to increase, and even members of law enforcement as if them pay need to increase too, and the way the economy is. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, so pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon. Of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion. Now until the reason again, live, love, and prosper, and stay tuned.